Here's a place we haven't been in a while. Let's take a stroll down the boardwalk in Myrtle Beach. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we're gonna take you on a stroll down the boardwalk. Let's go check it out.
Here's a quick look at the new paint job on Ripley's Believe It or Not. All right, this is the beautiful boardwalk of Myrtle Beach. Let's take a little stroll this way. Check out the shops and the restaurants. Right here you have Oceanfront Bar and Grill. Let's see this. Oceanfront Bar and Grill. And here's some new kid play things. Turtles, look at that. Beautiful sea turtles.
And as you can tell, they still have a few of the little Santa
Christmas
advertisements, yeah, from where they had the lights on the beach.
And there's Dirty Don's. We did a video on that. They got some pretty good food. And there's that famous Fun Plaza.
I don't think they're quite open yet, or they may be keeping the door shut since it is a little chilly out here.
Yeah, currently it's around 59 degrees, I do believe.
It feels a little cooler. Oh, there's another one.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we saw that one the last time we were down here.
No.
Oh, she's got that. There you go.
Here's you some candy.
Sweet treats.
Sweet treats. And so this is mid-January. They do, like Tierney said, have the Christmas up a little bit. And if you can see in the distance, there's 14th Avenue Pier. And of course the Skywheel. And if you're looking for some refreshing daiquiris, here's a daiquiri bar and grill, Hurricanes, in the summertime. Got some pretty good food. And of course, the Gay Dolphin Gift Cove. One of the most popular places around Myrtle Beach.
For all kinds of things, gifts, toys, and much, much more.
Here's you one of those one of thousands beachwear stores.
Those are so popular up here.
Here's another sand castle. A lot of these photo shoots are trying to bring people back to the boardwalk. Here's Mo Moon's.
What?
And here's your Plyler Park with the statue of the mermaid and the dolphins. Take a look at the beautiful ocean for a second. Oh, that's what you come to see, isn't it?
Most definitely.
Right up here, we'll conclude our short walk of the boardwalk with the newer items for photo shoots and stuff that we captured.
All right, sounds good. And it
Oh, the
looks
wheels
like the
going.
Skywheel's open.
Yeah.
We're ready to go.
We hope you enjoyed this short walk on the boardwalk, showing you what's new. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.